when you sponsor the fund, because actually if we have 300 people are coming for the fund, and you provide the fund for 300 people, that is actually what is equivalent to 10 years of Ramadan of fasting. That's why it's a great opportunity for the world. May Allah accept from all of them. Allahumma ameen. Thank you for all the brothers who are, coming early to help. Thank you for all your efforts. May Allah bless you all. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. One of the great things that we have shared about how to build bridges, reconnecting with our kids, with our children, that we said that Luqman, the wise, had talked with his child about the second command from Allah to honor our parents. And actually he wanted to remind him. But what I found in the Quran, it's not only to honor and respect your parents, but actually there is a third thing which is so important. Allah did not only order us in the Quran, He did not only order us in the Quran to respect and honor and make dua for our parents, but Allah ordered us to obey our parents. Means what? Can you give me your attention, please? Especially the sisters in the back. They said scientifically, do not try to stop a woman from talking. You know that? Okay, for the young generation who did not marry yet, take it as a piece of advice from Richey now. Brothers are laughing. Do not even try to stop women from talking. Otherwise, you will be their target. You know that. And if you are their target, you will be in danger. So, gently, swiftly, kindly, we ask the sisters to give us their attention. Is that a good way? You see, now they are quiet. MashaAllah. It works. Alhamdulillah. So, the command from Allah is to obey our parents. Imam, what does it mean to obey? Do you mean to give orders? Yes. Yes. And I know it's different than the American culture, maybe, for some people. It's different than the Western culture for some people. What does it mean to obey? Yes, I respect. Yes, I can disagree. Yes, I can. No, but I'm telling you, Islamically, in the Quran, Allah told us to obey our parents in whatever they ordered us to do. No matter what they told us, except one thing. If they told you to associate partner with Allah or to disobey Allah, if they told you something contradicting the order of Allah, at that case, do not obey your parents. Other than this, some scholars, let me tell you something that will surprise you. And you will say, Imam, what are you talking? What are you saying? But believe me, this is the reality. And I need to shock you all so you can give your attention. Imagine if you pray Sunnah, if you pray Tarawih, like we have Ali. Where's Ali? Raise your hand, because I'm missing you. We have Ittihad. Raise your hand, because I'm missing you. MashaAllah. You didn't get your shirt of the masjid, ICNPR. You see, looks nice. I'm going to stand up. You see, looks nice. I reserved some for you. Okay? So, imagine that you guys pray Tarawih, and your dad called you, and he said, I need you now. Now. You know what the Islamic ruling is? To leave Salah. Imam, are you awake? Yes. Because Taraweeh is Sunnah. And obeying your parents is obligatory. So what if they were praying Dhuhr time and he told them, no, they cannot go. They cannot obey. If they are praying Sunnah and they are in Salah and he told them, they must obey their father. That's why it is so important to understand the difference. We do not want to follow the culture and the tradition more than the religion. What the religion is saying, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَإِنْ جَاهَدَاكَ عَلَىٰ أَنْ تُشْرِكَ بِي مَا لَيْسَ لَكَ بِهِ عِلْمٌ فَلَا تُطِعْهُمَا. The only case that you cannot obey your parents when they order you to associate partner with Allah or to leave your religion. Then Allah said, فَلَا تُطِعْهُمَا. Do not obey them. But Imam, then what is after? What should I do? Allah said, even go. If they are against your religion. And that's my mission to the young generation who converted to Islam. Sometimes they have challenges that I am aware of some of it. And they talk with me. Some of the parents are against their Islam. You know what? Even if they are against your Islam, Allah said, yes, do not obey them, but وَصَاحِبْهُمَا فِي الدُّنْيَا مَعْرُوفًا. Be nice to them. Be kind. Be gentle. Be merciful to your parents. Yes, even if they weren't Muslim, obey them. If they told you, leave your religion, say, with all respect, I cannot do this, but I am having the order from Allah to continue being good to you, being nice to you. That's very important in our relationship. And now, as I give the message to the children or to the young generation, now I am giving the message to the parents. Parents, listen up. Yes, Allah gave you the authority. Yes, you have chapters in the Quran are telling your children to obey you. But I do not want you to misuse or give misinterpretations for those verses. You know what? One of the problems that I have seen lately, that one of the parents, actually she was a mother, because she doesn't like, because of her personal views, she doesn't like the wife. She told her son, Allah ordered you to obey me. Then, now, I need you to divorce your wife. Would you accept this? You know what? Yes, Allah ordered the son to obey you. But can you tell me why? If the wife was good, if the wife was kind, was nice, so why you ask him to divorce her? You know what? Because I don't like her. Give me the reasons. No reasons. Did you find something? No. Did you discover something? No. Because just I don't like her. Some of the scholars even argued with this. And they said, in that case, you need to obey your parents. Some of the scholars said, you do not need to oppress your wife either. You do not oppress your wife. You remember the famous story of Sayyidina Ibrahim? Let me tell you that story. Who knows the story of the doorstep? You know the story of the doorstep, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, my daughter, my wife, mashallah. Then the sister, mashallah, in the back. Then our brother, mashallah. May Allah bless all of them. Allahumma ameen. Sayyidina Ibrahim one day passed by his son Ismail. And he knocked the door. He wasn't in the house. So his wife came out and he asked. She didn't know him. They didn't have Facebook. They didn't have WhatsApp and messages from the Imam every day. You know, those people are bothered by the messages of the Imam, I told them, if you want to do something good, please block me. But they didn't. I don't know why. They were thinking that I might stop sending messages. Inshallah, I don't know. So let's go back. And she said to him, who are you? He said, I'm a stranger. I wanted to ask about you. How are you doing? She said, we are not doing good. And we are not eating good. And we are not in a good condition. She didn't say, Alhamdulillah. She didn't acknowledge the favor of Allah. He said, okay, where's Ismail? She said, he's outside. He said, okay, give him this message. Tell him, there is a man who passed by us. And he's telling you, change your doorstep. Change your doorstep. So when he came back, she told him the story. Then he realized, this is my father. The Prophet Abraham. This is my father. He's telling me to change my doorstep. And you know what? He divorced his wife. That was the message. That was the message. MashaAllah. After many years, he came back. He knocked the door. There was another lady. And he said, how are you doing? She said, Alhamdulillah, we are doing well. We are thanking Allah for everything. He gave him the message, keep your doorstep. Means keep that wife. She's a good wife. May Allah accept from all of us. اللهم اغفر لنا ذنوبنا وإسرافنا في أمرنا وثبت أقدامنا اللهم تقبل منا صيامنا وصلاتنا وركوعنا اللهم احفظ إخواننا في فلسطين اللهم يا ربنا اربط على قلوبهم وثبت أقدامهم وانصرهم نصرا عزيزا مؤزرا اللهم اغفر لنا ذنوبنا وإسرافنا في أمرنا إنك على كل شيء قدير وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. Inshallah, do not forget the registration for the Quran competition during the website ICNPR.org. 2 days left for the registration. ICNPR.org.